How to join a Telegram private channel without a link? Well, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore whether it's possible to join a private Telegram channel without a link. Telegram offers two methods to join a channel, through an invitation from the admin or by using a link. However, if you don't have the link and haven't been invited by the admin, you can ask channel members for a link. Alternatively, you can open any browser, type https://t.me/ followed by the channel name and tap search. This will take you directly to the Telegram channel. If this method doesn't work, you can also search for private channel links on search engines or specific websites. Many platforms provide private channel links categorized by interest. Simply tap on the desired link to join the Telegram private channel. That's how you can join a Telegram private channel without a link. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Bye!